Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. And if you are my loves, you already know what's up. So I just wanted to do a video for you guys, basically showing you how I put on press-ons. Now, everybody knows that we're on quarantine, so everything is closed, even the nail shops, and my nails are looking, they don't have no love. So I ordered some press-on nails from Nail Bae LA, and when you get them, they're gonna come in this white little box. Now, I think on their Instagram page, they did say something about that they were changing their packaging, so you might not get this box, but it's all the same. I think the boxes are cuter too. So, yeah, so let's get into it. So basically, you just take the box, the lid off, and it has this little organza pouch thing, super cute. And inside, it basically has all the tools that you would need, but I already have the stuff, so I'll just use this another time. But it basically has like nail glue, a little buffer, a file, and it has like a cuticle pusher. And then it comes with these cute little cards in it. Nail Bae LA, and on the back it has how to apply it and how to remove it, so that's very helpful. And then it has this cute little card that says take a nail selfie, super cute, and I will after I finish this video, and super cute. Okay, so those are the items that came in it. Let me show you what y'all all been waiting for, the nails, right? Okay, so they come like this. Now, if you buy like one pair, I don't think you'll get a big box like this, but I ordered 5 pairs, and this is what they look like. At the top, there's a red, white. White is like my go-to everyday nail. I just love white toes. I love white nails, but I just like, you know what, let me switch it up. And then, I don't know if you guys can see the detail in this one, but it's like pink and purple, like a marble color. I thought that was really cute. And then I got like a nudish pink. And then I got these fun ones at the bottom. They're like baby pink, baby blue. And then it has like a little marble of all the colors mixed together. Super cute. So for this video, I am going to be doing the red. Because, you know, I want to match my red lipstick. I ain't going nowhere to the living room, but I'm going to be cute. The living room. Okay, so I'm gonna be doing these, and these are also matte. I've never really, have I ever had matte nails, matte lip? I have a matte lip right now, but I don't think I've ever had matte nails, because I'm always so like white. Every time I go in there, like, oh, pick a color, I'm like white. So we're gonna do the red ones, and yeah, so if you would like to see my nails go from this blah to ba-bam, stay tuned, okay, you guys? All right, you guys, so I'm basically going to follow the instructions that Nail Bae LA sent me, so it makes it easier. So when you get your set, you could be like, okay, well, I know the instructions on the back of this work. All right, so I'm back, and I fixed my camera angle so you guys can get a better look of how I do it. So like I said, I'm going to be using their instructions, so I'm just going to flip it over to the apply instruction side, and I'm not going to use what they gave me because I already have some nail stuff. But if you don't have nail stuff, I would definitely recommend just using theirs instead of going out and purchasing the same products that they send here. So basically it says wash your hands. My hands are already washed, but I'm just going to go in with some hand sanitizer and put that all over my hands. And I'm going to make sure I get my nails too. And what I'm going to do is just take like a cotton swab and just go over each nail, making sure that I get all the excess off. Okay, and then next it says use the cuticle pusher, and that will be, if you get the packet, it will be this little wooden thing right here, but I'm just gonna use mine, and mine's this basically what I'm going to be doing is just pushing my cuticles down. Right, so we're done pushing the cuticles back. Next, it says to file your nails, and it's just basically saying like don't go all the way down, just leave a little bit. My nails are already short, so I'm just gonna briefly just do it. But if you have longer nails, I would definitely tell you to file it down just a little bit. Then it says to buff them up, so lightly buff the nail surface to get rid of the natural shine. Now I already have a buffer. It does come with a buffer in the kit, but I'm just gonna take the buffer and just go over it. Okay, so they are buffed out. And then next it says apply a decent amount of glue on the nail surface. All right, so before I put the glue on, I just laid the nails, took them out of the pack, the little box, and I just laid them on top of the lid, make it a little bit easier on myself. And they do have glue. Like I said, they have a glue that comes in the package, but I'm going to be using this Kiss Precise Nails because I already had this. So, open that up. And it comes with a little tip. It says to let the glue sit for 5 seconds, then apply fitting nail. Keep a paper towel, not tissue, with acetone / nail polish remover close just in case any glue runs, you can quickly wipe it up. I definitely don't have my acetone near me, so I'll be right back, you guys. All right, so I just grabbed my acetone. Yeah, because they said to have it on the side, so I just grabbed it. And what you're going to do is just take the glue and apply it to the nail. Let it sit for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And then I'm just gonna take the nail and apply it again. Oop. I'm just gonna hold it for a couple seconds. 1. And there you go. It is on. Down. And there is one nail. All right, so let's go to the next one. So basically what it says again, you do the same thing. Just apply the glue. Wait for 5 seconds. Grab a nail. Okay, 5 seconds has passed, and then you're just gonna place the nail right on top. Okay. Okay. And then I'm just gonna fast forward because it's kind of the same thing. All right, so one hand is done. I'm gonna go back in and clean it up after, so we're just gonna fast forward to get this hand done, and then I will come back when both sides are done. All right, so we followed all the instructions and they are all on. This side was definitely tricky because I am right-handed. So yeah, it took me a little time, but I got it done. So now to clean it up, what I'm going to do is going to take a little bit of acetone on a cotton swab and just wipe on all of them just in case like there's glue still left on them. So and then I'm just going to go ahead and just press them one more time. The cotton off like there. Press them. These are long. I don't really wear my nails long, but I don't know where to go, so did it do. And then lastly, I am just going to, now the instructions on the back doesn't say to put that on, but I'm gonna put some cuticle oil on it. But it also says, let me finish reading. After applying nails, let them sit for about 10 to 15 minutes before carrying on with your day. So I'm gonna let these sit for about 10 to 15 minutes, like it says, and then I'm going to put my cuticle oil on them after. So I'll be back when I am all done. All right, you guys, I am back with the final look. I let the nails sit on for about 10 minutes and then I put the cuticle oil right on top. And yes, this is the nails. I love them, like, love them. You hear me? Love them. Oh my gosh. So these red nails is giving me Mamacita vibes. So I was like, let me come back and spice it up, okay? I changed up. Let me be cute for y'all, okay? So I changed into this cute little crop top and these yellow fringe earrings. I'm absolutely loving this whole look. I look like I should be on the beach somewhere, drinking a pina colada, something, okay? But yeah, I'm loving these nails. I'm super excited about them. I definitely recommend for anybody that is used to wearing acrylic nails and can't get to the nail salons right now due to them being closed. I would definitely tell you guys to check out Nail Bae LA. Check them out on Instagram. And I am so excited to try on the other styles. I'll probably leave these on for about 2 weeks and then I'll switch them out. But yes, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed making it for you guys. Thank you so much. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And yes, I'm feeling myself, okay? Feeling myself. But anyway, love always. Miss Savon. Check you guys in the next video. Bye.